All right, guys, Math Chat 37. I'm going to go over each one of these content areas with you and then get you started. And then hopefully you guys will be able to continue on your own independently. Starting off right here with algebraic thinking, they are asking you to rewrite the numerical expression into word form. One thing I want to remind you is to keep in mind that you need to follow the order of operations that's taking place. So, for example, down here, the last one, you have to say the sum of 7 and 3 multiplied by 5, not 7 plus 3, or I guess you could do 7 plus 3, then multiply by 5. But make sure that you are identifying that you are doing the order or that you're doing the operation in parentheses first while you're writing it out. So, for example, you would have the sum of 7 and 3 multiplied by 5, okay? Down here for base 10 numbers, you need to write the decimals in expanded notation. Just a quick reminder for you on what the expanded notation looks like. You take the place value and you multiply it by the digit that is in that place value. So for example, 347, I'm going to write it as 3 times 100 because my place value of 100 is 300. So I have 300 plus 4 is in my tens place value. So 4 times 10 to represent that 40 plus 7. I could do 7 times 1 if I wanted, since 7 is in the ones place. I could, but I don't have to because 7 times 1 is just 7. So make sure that you are writing these out in expanded notation. I will do one for you. So this one right here is going to be 6 times 0.1, because that's the tenths place value, plus 8 times 0.01, since that's the hundredths place value, plus 5 times 0.001, since that is the thousandths place value. Okay? Down here, you're going to be doing some fraction multiplication. Remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you multiply across the numerators and denominators. Please make sure you're writing these in the smallest form possible. This one right here, you're probably going to have to simplify a little bit. Down here, we have some volume, and we've spent a lot of time on volume when we first started online schooling. So you are going to have to find the volume of a cereal box and then decide if whether or not 312 cubic inches of cereal could fit into the box up here. And explain your reasoning. Lastly, geometry. You need to determine if the definitions could be defining a rectangle. Shape with all parallel sides. Is that true? Shape of all equal sides, true or false? Shape with only 3 sides and only 3 angles. Could all of these be defining a rectangle, yes or no? Okay, I think that's it for Math Chat 37. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out. Good luck.